Yes, good morning, students. In the second video, part 2, we have done section B of MTP 2. And now in this video, beta, we will do section C of MTP 2. And section C, as you all know, that section C consists of 10 questions and each question carries 3 marks. So write matter according to the weightage of the question. First question is, what do you mean by reflection of light? How many kinds of sources are there? Read the question twice, understand the question. In this question, first you have to write down the reflection of light defined, and then you have to write down how many kinds of sources of lights are there. So, and the answer is on the page number 139, and the answer is bouncing back of a beam of light from an object is known as reflection of light. What do you mean by reflection of light? Bouncing back of a beam of light from an object is known as reflection of light. And how many kinds of sources of light are there? On page number 143. On page number 143, natural sources. There are two kinds of sources of light. Number 1, natural sources. Number 2, artificial sources. So, first question complete. Now second question. Second question is, a boy was trying to see the lighted candle using a curved pipe. Will the boy be able to see the light? Give reason for the same. On page number 143, question number 5. A boy was trying to see the lighted candle using a curved pipe. What is the meaning of this? There is a one boy and he was trying to see lighted candle using a curved pipe. He has a curved pipe through which he wants to see the light. Will he be able to see the light? First, you have to write this answer. No, the boy will not be able to see the light, and then you have to give the reason. So, 1 mark is for this. No, the boy will not be able to see the light. And then 2 mark is for the reason. And you have to write down the reason. Reason you know very well. Because light travels in a straight line. Now question number 3. Why do animals hibernate? Page number 133, question number 4. Page 133, question number 4. Why do animals hibernate? Animals hibernate. Why they do? You have to write down the points. Why they do? They do hibernation to protect from the cold, to protect from the winter, you can say. And like wood frogs, ground squirrels, bats, bears, they hibernate through the winter. And here it has been asked, why do animal hibernate? क्यों करते हैं बेटा, ये पूछा गया है कि why. तो you have to write to protect from the winter. Some animals like wood frogs, ground squirrels, bat, they hibernate. Okay. Now next question is question number 4. Write any 3 steps to save our environment. You have to write down 3 points how you can save your environment. Very easy question, very easy question. Only 3 points you have to write down on page number 133 in the book. There are given 5 points and you can learn any 3 points. First point you can write grow more and more trees. Second point you can write um, reduce the use of petroleum and other fuels as their burning causes air pollution. Means कि you don't have to burn the coal and petrol. You can write down कि we should not burn coal and wood because if they will be burned then they will produce smoke and we have to protect our environment. So we should not burn wood and coal. Next, third point, we should not dump waste into the ground. And then fourth point, we should reduce, reuse and recycle materials like paper, metals, plastics. Out of these, you can write any 3 points. Next question, what are the major causes of ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के मेन कारण क्या हैं? As I have told you in the class also, what do you mean by global warming? Globe means earth, warming means increase of temperature. So global warming means to raise the temperature of earth, means earth का temperature raise हो जाता है बेटा. So how we can protect this global warming? On the page number 126 it has been given. Global warming, causes of global warming. Smoke from the factories, the release of carbon dioxide gas from the factories and release of gases, harmful gases from the vehicles, you can say. Third point, cutting down of trees. These are the main 3 causes of global warming. Next question, draw diagram of thermometer and label it. This I will send in the PDF, thermometer diagram and labeling also. Next question is, what is food chain? Draw any one food chain. फूड चेन क्या होती है और फिर आपको ड्रॉ करना है एनी वन फूड चेन. इन द एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन it has been given food chain page number 94. Page number 94 you can see. Open page number 94 and on the page number 94 it has been given. Yes, it has been given on page number 94 that diagram of food chain. Page number 94. Yes, 91 also you can see. What is food chain? Here it is given. Diagram also it is given. In this diagram it has been shown that grass is eaten by the grasshopper and grasshopper is eaten by the frog, frog is eaten by the snake and snake is eaten by the eagle. So in this way it has been shown. Other also you can draw any other food chain also, because it has been asked here draw any one food chain, and in the exercise question answer it has been given. Draw a food chain that occurs in an ocean and pond. It means aquatic food chain is asked in the exercise question. Okay, be particular, read the question carefully and then only draw. What is food chain? Who eats whom? This sequence is known as a food chain. In the food chain, it has been told that who eats whom. And next question, define photosynthesis. Write down equation, page number 93. What is food photosynthesis? Green plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide gas, water, presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll. Leaves carry out photosynthesis using carbon dioxide gas, water in the presence of sunlight, and chlorophyll to make food and oxygen. Okay, and now equation is given on the page number 90. Carbon dioxide plus water gives in the presence of light and chlorophyll gives glucose and oxygen gas. This you have to write down in a sequence. Next question, give 3 examples where pulley are used. You have to write down 3 examples where pulley are used. Page number 108. Open page number 108. On the page number 108, answer has been given. Yes, you have to write where pulleys are used. One example everybody knows because you have made the model also of that. First example is drawing water from the well. Draw water, DRAWING, water from the well. Second, lifting a heavy object. Third point, hoisting, HOISTING, hoisting a flag. And next question, last question, what is adaptation? And name the types of adaptation. On page number 121, it has been given what is adaptation. First you have to write down the define the special features that enable plants and animals to survive in a particular environment are called adaptations. And there are two types of adaptation. First is structural adaptation and second is behavior adaptation. Name, only you have to write down the name. There are two adaptation, number one structural, number two behavior. So section C we have completed. First you have to learn. I have written the page number also. On that page you will find the answers. You have to learn first, then you have to write down on your notebook. In the next video we will do section D. That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.